Hi students, I welcome you today's lecture. Today's our banking first topics third point. Third point is role of banking in economic development. Now today's lecture is a very important lecture. So uh, let's start role of banking in economic development. First role of banking in economic development, that is a capital formation. Capital formation is one of the most important role of banking sector in your country, in your economy. In our India, it is our banking system is a very development sector all of world. So, capital formation means banks collect from society as a small saving and then investment in economy and develop of capital formation. The commercial banks can promote capital formation in the country and by moving the resources to the productive uses. So capital is a need in your sector, in your firm, in your enterprises, in your entrepreneurship as a main role of capital. There are in your productions main four factors, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. So capital is one of the main factor of in your production. So banks provide us as a provide in economy as a capital. So bank collect from society small saving and then investment in productive sector, investment in productive firms as a capital, so that in this circulation bank create as a capital. So capital formation is one of the most important role of banking in your economy. So it is one of the main point is capital formation. So second one role of banks is balanced regional development. So student, in our country near about 28 uh, different state as well as 9 union territory. So this state, some of state as a very economic development state and some of underdevelopment and some of developing states. So bank create as a balanced regional development means banks collect from development regional development regional saving and investment another undevelopment state and development regional areas in capital investment. So this function is as a balanced regional development function, balanced development role of banking in your country, in your economy. It is a main of one of the main role of bank in banking sector as a balanced regional development, as a collect another development sector saving to investment in undevelopment sector. So it is one of the main role of banking. Okay, now next one role of banks is implementation of modern technology. So student, banks is a very dynamic sector. Banking is a very dynamic sector, so that bank adopt first as a new technology in our service and then expansion it among the society, among the country and among the economy and then development other sector. So bank is a very dynamic sector and day by day each day as a new found as a new technology, new resources in our service sector, so that bank adopted in our service as a new technology. In India, all of banking sector as a computerized sector. Today is a all of banking sector is a computerized sector. Now ATMs, SMS banking, net banking, we use this banking services. So bank implement of modern technology in our service is one of the main role of banks. Okay. Now next one is provision of finance and credit. Now economy's main three sector is a backbone of economy, of economy, that is a primary sector, secondary sector, as well as third sector as a service sector. Primary sector means agriculture, forestry, as well as fishery sector. Second one is firm sector as a productive sector, means manufacturing sector and service sector. So all of three sector need of huge amount of capital. So banks create as a credit creation, and then high powered money, base of high powered money, bank create new credit creation, and then provide to economy as a use capital, so that banks as a main role provision of finance and credit in our economy. So it is a one of the main role of banking sector in economy, provision of finance and credit. Banks provide us short term loan, medium term loan, as well as long term finance to our economy. So next one is market expansion. Banking sector to promote the market of expansion. So in your entrepreneur, in your industrialist, in your shopkeeper, in your other sector as a need of use capital, and banking promote to this market expansion, and promote to market in economy. So it is one of the main function, main role of banks. Next one is encourage of entrepreneurship. So student, anyone have one of the plan, any of the business plan, but lack of capital. So we are going to any other bank, any one bank, and provide to the our plan, and bank regulate it, and bank provide us to capital to establishment of this firm, this business. It is one of the main role of banks, encourage of entrepreneurship, to promote of entrepreneurship, provide us, help us as a capital helping. So it is one of the most important thing is encouragement of entrepreneurship is banking sectors as a main role in economy. Next one is impact on rate of interest. Bank create as elastic of interest rate. When need of high interest rate, then bank create a high interest rate, and when decrease of interest rate, RBI need of decrease of interest rate, then banking sector decrease of our interest rate. So in economy, bank create a elastic interest rate. So in economy, impact of rate of interest is a banking sector's main role is. So next one is control of economic activity. So students, when in our country demonetization in 2016, we have learned what is the role of banks, what is the role of money in our economy. It is one of the main function, main role as a banks to control of economic activities, because banks create a maximum credit creation, new generate of new money, and then control of our total economic activity. So one day anyone, one day not available of any money, so our activity totally stopped it. So it is monies, when we need of anyone any money, we go in one bank and take out the loan from bank. So it is a main function of banks is control of all of economic activities. So next one is elastic supply of money. Now when maximum increase of inflation, then RBI take a decision decrease of money supply in market. And when maximum unemployment, undevelopment, so this time RBI take a decision increase of money supply in market. So banking sector distribute among the total economy as a elastic money supply. When need of money in market, then bank will provide in market as a maximum quantity of money. And when need of decrease of money from market, then banking sector increase of interest rate and decrease of quantity of money from market. So it is a main function, main role of banks as a supply of elastic money in market. So next one is our assignment of this chapter of this our lecture. So we study about role of banking sector in economic development. First role is capital formation, second one is balanced regional development, next one is implementation of modern technology, next one is provision of finance and credit, next one is expansion of market, next one is encourage of entrepreneurship, next one is impact of on rate of interest, next one is a control of economic activities, next one is elastic supply of money, next it is a total role of banking sector in economy. Now assignment is explain the role of banking sector in economic development. It is one of the most important question is when we face the university exam. This exam we will face the explain the role of banking sector in economic development. It is one of the main question in this topic. So student solve it, and thank you very much.